Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Realflight 8 simulator, and we're going to be using my Spectrum GX6 and the WS1000 wireless receiver for Realflight simulators. Works really well, by the way. It's got a little button right there, just bind it to your controller, and you can use your actual Spectrum controller for Realflight 8. So as you can see, we have Realflight 8 on the computer. Let's take a look and see what it's all about. Okay guys, so here we are with Realflight. As you can see, it's pretty freaking sweet. I've been playing a little bit. So let's just try it out with the Yak 54 with the gyro and see what we got here. This is, like I said, it's a very, very real simulator. This would be great for if you're learning how to just fly an airplane or trying to learn helicopter tricks like me. Okay, so that was a little bit of the Yak. Let's try a helicopter now. So let's go over here. Let's go to helicopters only. Let's see what we got. Some pretty cool stuff. Let's do something 3D. That looks fun. Ooh, Thunder Tiger. Let's do this guy. Let's do the Nitro. Alright, let's try this. Okay, that is the Thunder Tiger Raptor. You can see I crashed a few times, but that's okay. That's why we got the sim. This is very, very realistic. I'm really surprised. There's also different things you could do on here. There's so many aircraft, like I said. But like I said, there's also, you can go up here to challenges. You can do different things like air race, balloon burst, and that stuff is always pretty fun. So, like I said, I'll be uploading some real flight videos, try to show you guys, how it is. And thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in next time.